Hello lucky pals! Welcome to my latest video. First, let's check out some fun clips. Look at these videos, they're going viral on TikTok. Here's one that's only 5 seconds long, yet it got 141 million views in just 1 month. And it's not just TikTok. On YouTube, it's the same story. Take this channel, for example. Its top video has 17 million views, and even the smaller ones are performing well. This 17 million view video, it's also just about a month old. And then there's this channel. And this one. So, what does this tell us? It shows that this niche is a trending topic right now. It's still fresh and perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, a great way to quickly grow your fans and subscribers. If you're a beginner and you've been thinking about starting your own YouTube or TikTok channel, but don't know where to begin, this might be a niche worth trying. It's beginner-friendly because these videos are made with AI tools, which are completely free, no money needed at all. Surprised? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step on how to create these kinds of videos using AI. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. This video is short and sweet, but you'll walk away with a brand new idea. So, make sure you watch until the end. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Write a prompt. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll share a detailed prompt in the description below. You can copy it directly or tweak it to make it even better. Now open ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat box, and let ChatGPT work its magic. Boom! ChatGPT gave us 5 prompts. Not bad, right? If you want more, just ask ChatGPT to generate additional ones. Okay, now we have the prompts. Step 2. Generate images. For this video, we'll use Pixelman AI for the demo. Open Pixelman AI, click Create, choose Flux 1. Set the ratio to 9:16 and select 4 images. Paste your prompts. Hit Generate. And let's see what we get. Now we've got some images. Pick the ones you like best, then download them to your computer. Step 3. Turn images into videos. Here, we'll use Hailuo AI. Open Hailuo AI, click Create, drag your images into the tool, and you can either leave the prompt box empty or paste the ChatGPT prompt again. Hit Generate. Since we're using the free version, you can only generate 3 videos at a time, and there's a queue. So, I'll take a quick coffee break while it processes. But hey, to keep things smooth, I've already pre-generated some videos to show you. Let's take a look. What do you think? Not bad, right? Now download the videos. And let's move to the next step, editing. Step 4. Edit your video. For this, we'll use Capcut. But first, we need some background music, like ocean waves or ambient chatter. Head to Pixabay to download some. Once you've got the audio, open Capcut, import your videos and music, and you can create 2 types of videos. 1. A single species video. 2. A multi-species montage. If you're new, start with short, single species videos. Let's create a single species video. Drag 2 lobster videos onto the timeline. Trim the watermark. Adjust the size and speed. 0.7x or 0.8x. And add 2 keyframes for a subtle camera movement effect. Add a transition between the 2 clips, drag the background music onto the timeline, adjust the volume, and add a rain effect to both clips. Done. Export the video. Let's check the result. Now, a multi-species montage. The process is similar, but I'll speed through this part. And here's the result. What do you think, Lucky Pals? Did you learn something new? If you like this video, please hit the like, share button and subscribe my channel. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Good luck, everyone.